So in this video I'm going to show you a Claude AI skill that literally save your time if you are a solo business owner in the UK, US or wherever actually, and you are looking for the shortcut that how you can actually analyze your Google positioning SEO, so that you can track your SEO guy uh, work, and you can understand what's going on, and you also can uh, doing the things or finding the gap actually what holding you back. So first of all, I assume that you're using Cloud AI. So literally before making the video, I tried this skill and it's giving me the amazing result. As you can see, the SEO, from SEO health to technical SEO, content quality, AI search readiness, image, everything, schema, structured data, and the critical issues you might in the website. So let me show you from the scratch actually, so that you can understand what I mean. So first of all, as you can see, I'll go to the customization, and from here you can add the skill. So this is the skill actually I have added. So as you can see up, you should click on create skill, upload skill, and then you should upload this skill as you edit. I have a lot of edits in my laptop, and that's literally saving my time. My agency SEO guy are making fun with the things and make the things 5 times faster uh, than before. So as you can see, this is the skill I have installed, so I'm not going to install it again. I'm pretty sure that you're gonna good enough smart to upload a skill there. So after uploading, you should go into the chat and open the new chat and just press backslash and select your skill. Sorry, not this one, the skill actually you just uploaded, and just put any of the website. So I'm not going to analyze this one again. I'll go for another one. Let's say this one. So this is one for UK. Okay, let me go through their website. Okay, this one is the website link. So I assume this is the link. All I need to paste here and to see the magic of Claude AI. So just wait 2-3 minutes and it's working in the background, and after 2-3 minutes I'll be back. Okay, I can't wait. I want to show you how it works, how it fetches the website and your sitemap and everything in a single chat, and within 2-3 minutes, not more than 2 minutes I guess. And as you can see that it's literally give you the SEO health score and its significant work, page crawled, and it literally tells you that how many page it's scrolled, Google indexed. And as you can see, this website has some serious issues, because as you can see that okay, let me show you. The owner has like 11 page in this website, but only 3 page Google actually indexed. Maybe Google indexed 3 page, schema markup, noise schema markup, and fail threshold. This is the another content quality, on page SEO, performance. Oh my god, I didn't uh, I didn't expect this kind of better result just with a skill and just pasting the link here. So if you're a business owner, you can actually track yourself what's going on, what actually holding you back, and you also can track your SEO guy who actually working on your site to improve your local SEO uh, local positioning, so that you can get more calls, inquiries, and booking. And the things I was telling you, that I'm not sure what is this, but you can ignore it. It doesn't uh, get bothered. But the things, actually, it's uh, prepared for us. It's amazing. You just literally uh, see all of your gap, all of your stuff to do now, and problem to fix. So as you can see, there is some critical issues it find for us, and high priority. Top 5 quick wins. Fix the 2 broken navigation menus. Oh my god, it literally give you the website UI UX structure, and the deeper level. As you can see, you can find out in a manual way, but it could be 1 week literally, because the things you have find, it's gonna hide in your website. You can use some tools, some other tools, and you cannot find everything in one single thing. As you can see, page called. But I also want you to know that you just don't need to trust it blindly. You need to fact check, cross check with the backend on your website. But most of the data it's giving you, the skill I'm personally using right now. So I can tell you that if you use this skill, you will literally get the 90% accuracy of the things it will give you. So you can literally use it for estimating your stuff. And as you can see, that action plan, it's giving you action plan in MD file. You need to implementation roadmap, and it's giving us the week by week roadmap as well. Netflix launching soon, broken link. So these are the things actually hurt your Google positioning and your business. Actually, it's literally hiding you from the people who actually is your who might be your targeted customer, because the things you actually it has the website. Google won't trust you anymore, and definitely will not rank your site in the query what actually driving you the customer leads or inquiries. So I'm pretty sure you understand what I mean. And from today you can check your SEO. You don't have to do SEO or several other things, but my message is this: you at least can understand what is your gap and where you should work as a business owner. And it's literally I give you the peace, because I feel I have been working with a lot of business owner. They trust blindly with SEO guy, but sometimes there is some unethical SEO guy just doing nothing, or the textbook SEO, and literally killing your site, killing your business. So you can understand, you can, if you can research yourself, it giving you the advantage to guide your or track your SEO guy work. So thank you so much. And there is something, as you can see, category technical SEO content quality. Oh my god, based on the content quality, it's giving you the 48 out of 100. So that means you should improve your content quality. You should add local relevance, local context, local entity, local search term, and your customer pain point solution. So that kind of things actually you should feature in your website in a way, but not forcefully. It should be naturally and in a structured way. You should maintain a proper structured keyword clustering, mapping, and it should be in a uh, optimized way, not ambiguous way, or not forcefully. You are just doing keyword stuffing, not like that. And you should do schema to make understand Google that you are some of the things exist actually, and it's literally 10 out of 100. But this business is real, active, and they're making money as well, but not uh, getting the clients actually what they deserve. So that's literally my concern, and that is the thing I wanted to know you, that how you can check everything and how you can rule your business as a business owner. Because you might be just starting your business, or you are in position that you need to be mindful on spending money on wrong stuff. So in that case you should uh, track all of the things cautiously and mindfully. So this is one of the thing, some of the skill or some of the AI tools can help you if you can use it properly. That's it. And if you can, and you should take the advantage of this kind of skill and this kind of things to analyze your uh, business, your website, your SEO. Even you can analyze your competitor as well. There's some Claude AI skill I'm using to analyze the competitor as well, and my team using it. And as you can see the image AI search readiness. So this is something you should work on: AEO, GEO, and images, as you can see. So this is literally giving you the executive summary, top 5 critical issues, top 5 quick wins, and it's literally giving you the detailed data. Okay, and with the link as well. But look at the site, it's clean and look good. It seems there is no problem. It look fancy, and you know, but there is some problem, because your website might be fancy, but does it cover all of your customer pain point? And uh, are you really know that your website is good enough to make you understand Google what you do, what is your customer, and what is your service details, and what you actually caring about your customer. So these are the things actually, if you got fail to understand Google, your fancy website will not work on there. It will just look good but not work for you. You will just you just have to rely on referrals, client or queries. So thank you so much. If you have any questions still, you can ask me in the comment. Bye bye.